This is Jamie O'Donnell, and this is video 3 of my Google Site Tutorials playlist. I am going to show you how to add content to one of your pages. So I'm going to go to the page I just created. Over here you have 4 options. You can upload a text box, images, embed something, or upload something from your computer. If I want to embed a video, all you need to do is go to a YouTube video. You're going to copy your URL, paste it into the embed link, click insert, and it will show up right here. Now if I add a text box, to move your content around on your page, all you have to do is click and drag them on the page.